Good morning, guys.
How you doing? And also,
good morning from Sky.
say good morning.
Oh, she's got her little turtleneck on. She's all ready for Christmas, you guys.
She is so sweet in this, isn't she?
Oh, look at her. She doesn't even mind it. If you guys have seen the video where I basically tried loads of cat things, you'll know that Sky does not mind wearing outfits, does she?
And also, there's like loads of boxes somewhere because you've got a part 2 of that coming, haven't you?
Yes, I do. There's lots of boxes there. We'll be filming another one with Sky.
She's already been trying to get it in it all. But the
I
jumper's
know.
looking a bit small for her, isn't it?
Well, it was good for her a couple of years ago. I think she's grown out of it.
So we are back from Finland, back to warm/cold UK, whatever you want to call it. It's warm compared to Finland, but
oh my
it's still
god,
cold.
it's so much warmer compared to Finland.
Yeah.
In the last vlog, obviously we said that we would do some Christmassy videos when we get back. So here we are. Today, we're going to show you guys sort of like how we decorated our house inside and outside. So we're doing a bit of a house Christmassy tour.
Yeah, of basically where we've decorated.
Yeah.
I'm putting on a bit of a brave face. I've had the flu for like 2 weeks.
Yeah, and
quite
I'm
bad.
kind of getting it now as well from you, which is not good.
I know, it's bad. And Christmas is in what, like a couple of days?
2-3 days, yeah. So I really don't want to be ill for Christmas.
I think I'm going to be ill for Christmas. I can't see myself recovering in the next couple of days, to be honest with you.
It's the worst being ill for Christmas. Alright, so here is our living room. This is really the only room we decorate every year for Christmas because we don't feel like decorating like our kitchen or bedroom. I feel like there's not really much point because you don't spend too much time there.
Yeah.
So we've got a Christmas tree. That's probably the first thing you guys want to see. I have all of the presents now finished, which I'm very excited about. This is literally presents for like the whole family, which is why there's so many. And for the Christmas tree, we kind of went for like a gold, blush and white sort of theme this year. I feel like it looks very minimalistic and quite classy.
It looks really good. Sky's saying an awful lot. What would you like, sweetheart?
Do you know what? If you guys have cats, you'll know the struggle of these being pinged off by the cat at every opportunity. She just keeps taking them off and just playing with them.
No, the worst part's the ribbons, because she eats the ribbons and then throws them up.
Yeah, I don't know why she does that, so we have to be really careful around her. She actually has another little outfit. It's like a little Santa dress and it's covered in sequins, so I think she's going to wear that for Christmas. But yeah, that's our Christmas tree. We actually went for these like copper wire lights this year.
Yeah, we actually had them last year as well. They all just start at the top and they all come down
and I feel like it just looks so much better and it's a lot quicker to actually put it on the tree as well.
Yeah, it's pretty minimalistic, to be honest. There's not really a lot on there, but it does look nice.
Yeah, and we use the like snow spray as well to spray all over it. Okay, I quickly want to show you guys this. Look how freaking beautiful this little like house/church is. It actually lights up. It's got batteries at the bottom and then all the light like shines through the windows. It looks so pretty at night.
Yeah, that's cute.
I've also got my nutcracker on the side. Look at her! She
just wants to be involved.
She just wants to be in the vlogs, don't you?
As I'm ill, she can take my place.
Oh, look at her. And we're matching. We're matching with our turtlenecks. And then we've got the fireplace as well, which I usually decorate because I love fireplaces. So I've just got like this little gingerbread garland, got some stockings. I think a brand actually sent me this one. I think it was Kiss Nails that sent me this, which is really, really nice of them. And then over on the coffee table, we've just got like so many different candles. I recently got this one from HomeSense. It's milk and cookies. This was only like £3 and it smells so Christmassy. I love it. And to be honest, I always have candles here, no matter if it's Christmas or not.
Yeah, and also Roxy's got a new laptop so she can edit faster.
Yes.
And I was just wondering, is there anyone smart enough that could possibly invent like something that you could put an SD card reader in a laptop? That would be a really good invention.
I mean, it's so freaking annoying that they actually got rid of the SD card port. If anyone else agrees with me, honestly comment down below because the new design of MacBooks is just so bad.
And also we decorated the outside of the house, so let's show you guys that.
Okay, so we're outside now and we're actually really happy with our decorations outside this year. We've added like a couple of new bits, so we'll show you guys how it looks.
Yeah, I actually I would have done a few more, but I just wasn't feeling up to it with being ill and everything.
Yeah.
But no, it looks good. My favourite ones are these.
Yeah.
We did these last year.
And these were pretty simple. They're just copper wire lights wrapped around.
That's great.
Roxy, you just hung that up for them and you were like, film that first. I forgot. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
It keeps falling down.
It keeps falling down. It's so annoying. We just get a new hook.
Look at our lovely paintwork.
Ah.
It's showing the old red door.
We just painted that door this year as well, didn't we?
Rest in peace. Yeah, anyway, these look great at night, don't they?
Yeah, they look so awesome.
We've got the same lights there, same up there.
Yep.
And
then the new thing is this.
We've got a little reindeer. inspired by Finland.
Yes.
And Roxy really wanted one of these.
You don't really like it, do you?
I don't like it.
I mean, you can kind of see it on the house a little bit if you look carefully, but it's too light, I think, to
We'll show you
properly
guys.
see
Yeah,
it.
well, we'll show you at night. But I don't know. On that one, the snowflakes are really, really big. So
Yeah, it doesn't look quite as good.
And then we've just got that in the window.
Yeah, we've got that in the window as always, and we've got a little Christmas tree up there as well. That's kind of like that, but it's not on at the moment.
Also, last year we did a tree that was here, but that tree was dying, and in the summer we planted a new one.
Yeah,
And we also planted a couple of other new trees.
we did.
And I just wish we tied them all with like copper lights
I
and
know,
stuff.
that would have been awesome. We did that
Yeah.
a couple of years back, but
It's a lot
it
of
kind
work.
of broke, didn't it, after a while?
Well, that's because we left it on.
I know, but it's so much effort having to like undo it at the end of the day.
But we could have just done, you know, up to sort of
Yeah.
6 foot up here. Same with that one over here.
Yeah, that one's dying, isn't it?
Well,
it's
this will come back
dead.
next year.
Yeah, hopefully.
So that's fine. This will come back next year. But that again, or this one would have looked nice.
Yeah, this one would look amazing, but I mean, I don't know how we'd get up there. So I guess we're going to show you guys how the outdoor lights look on whilst it's dark as well, because it doesn't look quite as impressive right now.
Yeah, it definitely looks a lot better at night.
Yeah.
Also, all our lights we got from the range,
Yeah.
and I think they're only good for 1 year.
Yeah, 'cause we-
half of them don't work.
Yeah, half of them don't work, and we did take them off this time because usually
Yeah.
we keep our lights on all year round because we can't be asked to take them off. It's so bad.
Well, only the top ones.
Yeah, the
but
top ones.
To be fair, okay, I exaggerated, not half, but quite a few rows aren't
Yeah,
working.
quite a few,
Which
but
is disappointing.
it is a
but-
bit disappointing.
So guys, we wanted to apologise for how long the bedroom transformation is taking.
Yeah.
Basically, yeah, it takes a long time to build a wardrobe when you've never built one from scratch before.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, and we've been trying to like press on with it, but we're just nowhere near finished.
Well,
So you have
we're
to
getting
wait.
there. We're getting there, but we do have plans for next year already. I know it's like mad, but
I know.
we do have plans.
We never finish one project at a time. We always start another one, don't we?
I know the
It's really
bathroom
bad.
was like halfway through as well.
I know. It's so
We're
bad.
getting there, and eventually we're going to do a house tour where we just show everything we've done.
Yeah.
We're getting there.
It's
But,
gonna be worth it. Wait for it.
yeah. Let's have a look at these plans.
So.
I'm going to stand over here. So, because I've drawn it from here.
So these are the plans that Matt has drawn up.
Alright, let's get a close look. Right, so, it's a bad drawing, I know, but basically, those bifolding doors are on this wall.
Yep.
That's the kitchen through there. And that wall is that wall, but with the TV on it,
And two portions are gone, basically.
and just a slight wall in the middle, but you
Yeah.
can walk either side of it, so it's like an open plan kitchen.
so you can so you
Yeah.
can see into the kitchen from here, which is really cool.
Exactly, because that door there, if you come over here, is just there.
Yeah.
So it's that's the wall we're talking about, basically.
Basically, yeah, that's probably going to be gone pretty much next year.
But the TV will be there.
Yes, the TV will be there, so like the whole dynamic of this room will just switch, because right now the only two places we can have sofas is here and there.
Yeah.
And then like we don't really have any space for like furniture. We don't really like this whole setup of like the fireplace and the TV being on top. We just think it looks a bit cluttered.
So instead, there'd be a big corner sofa here,
Yeah.
and the TV would be there with a fireplace underneath it, as
Yeah.
per the drawing.
I think this is going to look so much better than how our lounge looks now. So hopefully when we like, you know, chat to the architects and stuff, they'll be able to tell us if we can do it or
Hopefully
not.
we can do it. I've also
Yeah.
got a floor plan there, I think. Wow. I'm gonna. Do you know what? We don't need an architect. I think the builder can do it off this.
Matt's a pro. Matt's a pro, really.
Basically, yeah, sofa in that corner. Do you know what? That doesn't make any sense, does it?
It
to anyone?
doesn't. To be honest, when I saw this and I live in this
You-
house,
you didn't
I
even
couldn't
know.
tell what it was. No offense.
So the builder's not going to know. Do you know what? There isn't even going to be a builder, because let's face it, we're going to knock it out ourselves.
Yes, but we've got to put a beam in. We can't do that ourselves, can we?
Okay, I am joking. We're not doing that much, probably.
No. Alright guys, so we're having a little photo shoot, a little Christmassy photo shoot
Yeah.
with
Do you
this
know
little
what?
madam.
The hardest part about taking photos with your cat is that whenever you want to take photos with them, they're just so close to
I
you. You just can't. Oh.
We've been using this. We've been using this as bait.
Yeah.
So we just go, what's this? She's just observing it. What's this? What's this? What's this? You like it?
She looks really sweet in those photos.
She looks a little bit bored. Like her face isn't as interested as it was at first. So we've actually been thinking about making a little Instagram for Sky because you guys have been saying that she'd look so cute on like Instagram and just have like professional photos and stuff of her.
She does have. We do take the cutest photos of her.
We do. We just never put it up anywhere, so we might make her a little Instagram. That was vicious.
She is the sweetest cat. She's never bit or scratched. Only in play.
Oh, did you see it?
She like tricks you.
Okay, so we've just imported all the photos onto the laptop and they're so cute.
I know.
They literally could be a postcard. Oh my god, look at her little face.
That is adorable.
I literally want to make her an Instagram so bad right now. I might actually even do it now because I'm so excited. After seeing these photos, we have decided we're actually going to make Sky an Instagram because I feel like it would be a sin not to share these photos with you guys. And she looks so adorable. She's such a photogenic cat. So if you guys want to follow her on Instagram, it will be the first link in the description. Okay guys, so we're outside. It's now night time.
Yeah, and it looks a lot better at night, doesn't it, really?
Yeah.
But like I said, I just feel like we should do something on that tree. I feel like it's missing something.
I know, next year we need to do something.
Yeah, but I really like the reindeer. But the conifers are my favourite by far.
The conifers look so cool. They kind of just I think I said this last year, but they kind of remind me of like Ferrero Rocher. Can't say that word, but wow.
I like them. They're good. Alright, let's go.
Alright guys, so as you know, we have mentioned that we were going to make an Instagram for Sky in this video, and we have actually already made it. It's called Sky the Savannah, isn't it?
Yeah. Sky the Savannah. And we've basically replaced the RX Home Instagram with that. We saw some comments about that. We've been umming and ahhing about RX Home for a long time. I'm
sure you guys have noticed the absence of like RX Home and not really much happening.
It's safe to say it's failed, basically for two reasons. First reason mainly being that we haven't been keeping up with the orders.
Yes.
And we don't want to disappoint anyone, but we've been really busy. We've also been travelling a little bit, and we found it really difficult to keep up with orders during some busy times. Yeah,
and because we're not really into like bringing anyone else on the team, it was very difficult for that reason as well.
Especially because we've run it out of our own garage. I mean, the garage is big enough, but it's kind of like, who do you want to invite into your house to...
to like work in the garage. And the second reason was when we set out to create RX Home, we always wanted the goal to be to create our own products, like actually design the homeware and then produce them.
But from the start,
but as we sort of went into it and started researching more, we realised that was a lot more difficult than it actually seems.
I mean, we went to a lot. Basically, the plan was start off RX Home, build the website, and started off by basically reselling products. That was the way we were going to kickstart it and slowly progress into our own homeware products that we've designed and made ourselves. But when you go to manufacturers and ask them to design and make your own products that you've designed, instantly the minimum order becomes about 10,000 units for each item. So if you have 100 items, you need to invest hundreds of thousands of pounds just to get started. And we just, I mean, it was...
We never wanted the store to be like 5 things. Like, you know how people make merch and they have like 5 t-shirts? We wanted like a proper store with lots of different things, so the whole website was filled.
Everything designed by us.
Exactly. And, you know, we very quickly realised after that, it just wasn't really possible at this stage.
I mean, we looked into a lot of avenues. We obviously loved homeware, but we did obviously look at makeup and clothing, and clothing would have been a lot easier.
In hindsight, in hindsight, I think we should have gone for something more to do with fashion.
That's kind of your passion. It's not really mine, and we kind of did our joint passion. But
that's true. That's true.
Designing your own home items and getting manufacturers to make them and having a whole store full of it is very, very difficult.
Very difficult, but it's not like to say that it's the end of.
Who knows?
Businesses in general.
I mean, failing is always the best way to succeed.
To learn.
I have learned so much from this. I've never built a website. I've never run a business like this, and I've learned so much, and I'm so happy about that. And I wouldn't take it back.
I wouldn't. I don't think it was like a waste of time at all.
Definitely not.
It was definitely a lesson learned, and we're gonna have so many like skills to take to our next business venture. Should we have one in the future?
So we are sorry about that. But you know, you can't continue with something that you're not passionate about. The goal was to design our own stuff, and if we can't do that, we just can't continue.
Yeah.
Because just reselling stuff that already exists isn't where I want to end up.
No, and we would rather focus that energy into something that we are passionate about, like making videos for you guys.
Exactly, but we've sort of like rambled about other ideas of things we'd love to do. We're not going to jinx it right now or say anything, I don't think, but who knows, we may start another venture in the future.
Maybe.
I think we will.
Let us know what you guys would like to see from us. Like, if we were to start another business, would it be like fashion or beauty or just anything in general?
Nah, I've got some ideas.
Oh, I see. Matt's got so many ideas. Like,
I have ideas.
You have ideas that you should patent because it's genius.
I have very good inventions.
Yes, he does. He does.
So yeah, we've taken the website offline. And
we've turned RX Home Instagram into Sky's Instagram because we always wanted to make an Instagram for her, and we thought, well, we've already got one, so might as well.
Well, the one thing we did succeed with was that we did create our own candles.
Yes.
But we haven't decided if we're going to sell them or not yet. We're very happy with the end result.
We're so happy with it, and I just don't know why I never why I never uploaded them to the RX Home website.
Well, I know why. We never uploaded it because we were struggling to keep up. Like, when we were posting orders, we were often late.
Yes.
Posting orders, and we didn't want to upload new products and make that harder for ourselves.
Exactly. So, but I was so excited when when we got the delivery. I was doing all the photos. I did like a little photo shoot for the candles.
It was designed over like 8 months.
Yeah, it was so much work, and we never even posted on the website. But maybe I'll release it as like a merch thing on like another website one day. I don't know.
Maybe, because we've got the stock. We've got hundreds of candles.
Yeah, we've got like, I think like 300.
Yeah,
or something.
we've never released, and that was just the first batch. But we never. Yeah, well, we'll see. We might release them.
Maybe.
Yeah, so, I mean, if you can take that as a life lesson, that's good. Like, you've never ever failed. There's no such thing as failure.
No.
It just doesn't exist. You've always learnt, and whenever you fail, you learn, and that's just one of the most important things you can do, really.
Yeah,
isn't it?
for sure. And we are really sorry that, we had to make RX Home come to an end, but thank you all so much for like supporting it and buying things off it. Like,
that first
crazy.
month as well. That first month was, I mean, that was mad. We filled every store in Bicester and Banbury trying to post everything out to you guys. That was just crazy.
Yeah, and we were literally in that garage for days.
They
like,
hated us. Everyone hated us.
Every time we went into the stores, because the Collect Plus stores are just like little depots with like, where it's like Co-op and Tesco, and they have like a tiny little section dedicated to it.
There's like 5 or 6 in Bicester, 5 or 6 in Banbury.
And every time we went in with more parcels, we had like boxes that big, and they would be like, oh, for God's sake, it's them again.
I know. Yeah, it was bad, but it was good.
So bad.
Good times, to be fair.
But anyways, that is all for this vlog. We thought we owed you an explanation for that.
Yeah,
and,
it's the right time, I think.
Yes, it's time to tell you guys.
Yeah, definitely.
That is all from us. I really hope you guys have an awesome Christmas and New Year's. Hopefully we'll see you guys maybe before then, but probably after.
Yep.
And yeah, that is all.
Have a good Christmas. I think this vlog, by the looks of it, is going up on Christmas Eve, so have a really great Christmas.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you guys in the new year. I might try and make a end of decade / maybe end of year vlog.
Yeah, that'd
be
cool.
There are a lot of work and I haven't started yet, so I'll see if I can get around to that.
We'll see.
Alright guys.
See you later.
See you later then. Bye.